Hey everyone, welcome to today's The Steady Trader YouTube Live. Well, I receive a lot of emails every single day from people telling me that they're confused who to follow and what kind of system to follow, what I think is the best way to look at the stock market. And so I wanted to take a minute today and just kind of address this basic, almost epidemic out there. I think most folks out there have too many gurus. What does that mean? Well, you all know you get a lot of emails every single day, including from me, you get an email every day with this video. But you get an email from many other people and everyone's got a bit of a different system. And I will say, I think there's a lot of really bad education out there when it comes to this. But for the most part, what it causes people is a lot of confusion. So there might be a person out there that's looking at the market through the lens of fundamental analysis or a very specific technical thing, or maybe someone's a day trader or someone's a this or that. And a lot of people get very confused for that, rightly so, because, well, it is confusing, right? So what I would suggest is that you really dramatically cut down on how many gurus you have. And you got to make sure you find something that fits you. So a lot of people that, actually I would hope all the people that follow us in our list and follow the YouTube channel, they do so because there's a logical top-down process that makes sense to them, and they don't have to sit in front of the computer all day and they want to generate income or capital gains. It's for all that, right? But if you combine that with someone who's trading, something crazy like intraday forex breakouts or whatever there is out there, that's not a very good match, right? So you need to make sure you find something that fits your style, right? So if you are a day trader, then you got to find something that fits that space. And so what I think a lot of people do is they go through too many gurus and don't give anyone enough time, right? So our new clients, I always say to people, guys, you need to give this time so you understand the process. But a lot of people are so giddy to make a couple $100 in profits, and I understand that, they don't really give anything enough time. So for example, let's say you have an approach, I don't want to call it a system, but a process that should make money, let's say 8 or 7 out of 10 times, okay? So what a lot of people do is let's say they start with a winner, then they have a loser, then they have another loser, and now guess what? They don't take the next trade. Well, if by definition you need to do 10 trades to see if the odds work out, if you quit after 4 trades and move to a new guru or a new methodology, you never really give anything a real chance to work. And that's really what I see a lot of the issues are. Like, I know our trades and ideas work between 70 and 80-ish +% of the time, but you got to actually give this a bit of a track record and follow it for a little bit of time. But a lot of people don't do that, mostly because of lack of patience and just wanting immediate gratification. And really, if you think about it, I'm not your life coach, but if you think about it, anything worth pursuing in life takes time to learn, right? You're not going to become a great cook overnight. You're not going to become a great football player overnight. It all takes time. And it's the same exact thing in the stock market. It's just that in the stock market, I think there's a lot of really bad information. So you got to make sure you find something that fits your style, that you can trust, and again, give it time. So I just want to give you a couple of words on this, folks. I hope it makes sense. Again, I think most people have too many gurus. Find something that fits your style and give it some time, right? Make sure you understand what the odds are. Don't just do 2 trades with it and then give up and send an nasty email. Give it some time. Any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I'll see you guys in the next YouTube Live.